A warm welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for watching our videos, liking our videos, writing in your comments, and writing in your suggestions. A heartfelt namaste to you too, sir. Thank you so much.
Namaskar.
Today, sir is going to show us a new side of D9. D9, the Navamsh chart, has varied colors. So, sir, what is one of the colors that we will be walking down the lane with you?
No, we can say what is one color, but I can tell you it has got so many applications
Right, sir.
that even elderly astrologers, they used to say that if you predict without consulting Navamsha,
Right, sir.
then you are committing a crime.
Hmm.
Paap kar rahe ho.
Right, sir.
Because without Navamsha,
Right, sir.
you cannot pinpoint the final outcome.
Hmm.
It is a Shashwat chart.
Hmm.
The final outcome depends on this. Now, secondly, everybody touches it for marriage.
Right.
Yeah, I agree. Anything in marriage that can be predicted from Navamsha. Whether a love marriage, number of marriage, how many I will have.
Right.
We normally say multiple marriages.
Right.
But how many?
Right.
How many affairs that we will, I'm not going to discuss it right now.
So
Or,
we'll do it in our course.
yeah, so many. Pushkar Navamsha, Vargottam Navamsha, Rashi Tulya Navamsha, 64th Navamsha. Well, it is full. Even 1 week lecture is not sufficient. But sometimes I club all the points quickly.
Right, sir.
That I can cover.
Right, sir.
Today, in that respect, one of the major aspect of Navamsha is religion.
Right.
It is not spiritualism, adhyatik nahi. The religion, the dharma in which you are born, will you carry that? How you will carry that? How much devoted you are?
Right.
Many a times you become a religious guru and then land up in jail for various deeds. Right? So that also can be seen from Navamsha.
Right.
Whether you will fall into lust or not. And this way, I have read many astrologers, they say Venus should be bad. It is not that. Venus should be strong, so that you do not fall into Vadda.
Okay.
Yes. So that all we will discuss in our big webinar. And today we will have only the religious part of it. And I will give you two major points.
Right.
Because everybody knows that Lagna 5-9, that is the Dharam Trikon.
Right, sir.
And out of which 9th house is the house of Dharma, religion. So we examine it from Lagna of D9. That is the physical examination with your body, with your total dedication.
Right.
You are involved. So that way, the 9th lord should be connected with the trine 159 houses.
Right.
9th lord of D9. So then you work for that, for the growth of religion. Here, one point is eighth house is the negation of ninth.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, if the eighth lord is connected with ninth house, ninth lord, then it gives negation.
Hmm.
Some changes. You will learn other dharmas also.
Right.
Then next check we do from moon.
Hmm.
The ninth lord from moon should be in trine from moon or lagna.
Hmm.
So if it is from moon, then you remain mentally inside religious.
Right.
Dindora nahi peete.
Right.
Physically, you are looked as you are not religious.
Right. But mentally, you may be very strong on it.
Yeah, mentally, if you are religious, you are inside yourself.
Right.
Right? If the ninth lord from moon is in trine from lagna,
Hmm. Hmm.
from lagna, then you show it also. You are internally also religious,
Yes.
and you are doing work for religion also. So these are the only small basic points. Otherwise, there are so many factors to be checked.
Yes, sir. And your book has given a detail. The book that we are going
Yes.
to give with the webinar, you have given a detail on all of it.
Yes.
Sir, before I move further, because people will be asking, writing in the comments and asking, what if it is in Kendra from the Lagna or in Kendra from the moon? Then does it help?
No, that has another sense. Kendras are also having different meanings.
Right.
Lagna Kendra, Lagna is Trikon.
Right.
Then Kendra are taken to identify the trine. From fourth house, the trine is Samadhi.
Okay.
That is 4, 8, 12.
12. Yes.
Then seventh house, trine is Kama trine.
Right.
Kamana trine.
Right.
So, and from 10th, it is the Artha Trikon.
Yes. Yes.
So, it is actually these trikons are originating from Kendra.
Okay.
So, if it goes into that trine which is generated by a Kendra, it will carry that effect.
Hmm. So you've given a very major clue here for those who really put in a little bit of mind here, because I've been applying it and it's given me a very beautiful answer to it. So I'll leave it to our audience to think further in it and can
It is a very basic point.
yeah, so and it's very, very profound. It's very profound.
Yes. Suppose a planet is in third house.
Hmm.
It is in Kama Trikon from seventh.
Yes, sir.
So third house planet will certainly involve you in your Kamana,
Association. Yes, sir.
extra affairs or something.
Right, sir.
They may not be sexual affairs, but others.
Yes.
Kamana is Jagrat ho jati.
Yes. The desires.
Desires.
So.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So
this is the chart
of Swami Vivekananda, who's been very famous throughout the world.
Yeah, everybody knows. We need not tell them.
Hmm.
Now we check from Lagna. First of all, it is a Varguttam Lagna.
Yes, sir.
And that too, Sagittarius.
Right.
The Dharam sign of natural zodiac. We have said, see the ninth lord. Ninth lord is Sun.
Right, sir.
Sun is sitting in Lagna. One blemish is there, that eighth lord moon is aspecting it.
Hmm.
That means deviation from the dharma in which you were born.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
That means his father was a teacher, earning, etc. That deviation is seen,
Hmm.
but it is moon.
Hmm.
Then from moon, the ninth lord is Saturn, which is sitting in 12th from moon.
Right, sir.
Similarly, this 12th from moon, and it is 6th from Lagna.
Right, sir.
So from mental side, inner side, you are not that religious. You want to spread it. Because this yoga is from Lagna,
Right, sir.
not from moon.
Right. Sir, can we interpret it like that? Because the Saturn also aspects the ninth house, its own house. Uh,
Ninth from moon.
yes, sir.
That
Ninth
has
from
become
moon.
strong.
Yes, sir.
That has become very strong.
Right, sir.
But some will say that Rahu is sitting there.
But Rahu
That
is
has
a lot of
spoiled
that.
it. No. Rahu is acting as ninth lord from moon.
Right.
And it is sitting in trine.
Yes.
Okay. So that way, Rahu is a very good. Rahu is good.
Right.
You see, Swamiji was born in Moon Mahadasha.
Hmm.
Okay, if I am remembering correctly. He was born in Moon Mahadasha. Then comes Mars. And then in Rahu, he got his Guru.
Yes.
And throughout Rahu,
Hmm.
he was spreading the wisdom.
Hmm.
So Rahu is very strong here.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will learn more.
Sir, so the sun also gave him such a lot of popularity with the exchange and Ketu sitting in the ninth house in the Navamsha.
No, it is because the Navansh 10th lord is in 5th.
Okay.
Or in other way, I will say, Mars popularity comes from 10th house.
Right, sir.
10th house is aspected by Venus.
Hmm.
10th lord is in 5th.
Hmm.
Yoga.
Hmm.
So 10th house, see, it is actually a game of dashas.
Hmm.
When I see the dasha of Rahu, Rahu is in 3rd house
Hmm.
of Janam Kundali also.
Yes.
Effort, travels,
Yes.
aspected by Saturn,
Right.
it becomes very strong. He
Yes.
started becoming very popular from Rahu Saturn.
Right, sir. A very beautiful principle and many other points the sir has told us over here. We take up from the Lagna the ninth lord and from the Chandra Lagna the ninth lord to
Basic.
see how we are going to spread the religion. And if there is a deviation, then 8th house has to be involved. Very many points. Again, sir has told how to see the origin of trikonas by the kendras, leaving in a lot to ponder. So if you want to join our course, it's a 2-day webinar spread over 2 weeks in both in English and Hindi. You can always write into us at our email IDs or you can contact us on our WhatsApp. Till we meet you again, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.